Hey guys, Katie here from Trade Ideas, and I'm here to give you a little teaser for what's to come in this week's blog. For this week's blog, we're going to be diving into gender and our roles in stock trading. While we all know the stock trading community and financial sector as a whole is predominantly skewed male, while we see a lot more male traders, a lot more male investors, a lot more men on Wall Street, but given that it's 21st century, women are starting to infiltrate this boys' club and things are changing. Now, many scientists believe that women and men have different ways their brains wire, different ways we think, different ways we're prone to think and act. And that shows up in our stock trading, how we approach our trades, how we make decisions. And this is some interesting stuff. So in this article, I will review some traits that researchers think women actually bring to the table and how successful they can actually be. I'll also be listing for reference some of the most influential female traders and investors out there today, how they got where they are, what their trading journey looked like, and what they attribute to their success. So for those women out there that think they are not capable of trading because they are behind in the lingo, feeling out of the loop when it comes to all things trading, or just have not even tried learning yet. Our minds are literally wired to be proactive, to be consistent, to stick with our plan and avoid impulsive and emotional decisions, and that is what makes a successful trader in the long run. Now, not to say that women make better traders or men make better traders, but the playing field is a lot more even than we think it is. We all have different skills and mindsets to bring to the table. This article is mainly a disclaimer that nothing should hold you back from pursuing your trading journey. You're not too much of a woman, you're not too old, you're not too young. Anyone can start, anyone can improve, and anyone can learn for themselves. So if you want to read more for yourself, our new article, Trade Like a Woman, How to Get More Successful at Trading, will be coming out this week. So click the link below to stay updated and read for yourself.